Just rolling on through from the corner, 122, state of Maine.
To your corner, 122, it's a miss. Good to put the handshake on you in the heels, Sean. Getting out of the way. Bye.
Waving right back at you, Yardbird. Absolutely was a pleasure of putting that old speak and spoke on you. Absolutely, and that old handshake, no doubt. Absolutely nice meeting you, sir. Hey, you're sounding good. Just rough and tough up here in the corner. Just got to get in where you can fit in. Hey, Yardbird, 122, waving right back.
Safe and sound with the wife. Hey, like I say, got to put the
Well, you got yourself a good one, Yardbird. Absolutely, always a pleasure. 122 back out of the road. Bye-bye.
Click.
We heard somebody firing back at the 122, but boy, we definitely got a full receive up here in the corner, 122, letting you know.
Hey, 122, you're still strolling in the Carolinas, man. You are top chef right now. 122, got conditions. We're going to pull back here and cool off a minute and kind of listen, see what happens. Skip shooter 357 Magnum in the Carolina Mountains on the side.
Yeah, we appreciate you letting me know, Skip Shooter. Absolutely. Seems like the old conditions are going everywhere at the moment, no doubt. But hey, Skip Shooter still got real good numbers on me up here in the corner. Waving over there to Virginia, we missed the numbers, but we heard you roll on through this old noisy receive. 122 Maine waving.
Well, it was rough down here. 8321 hot dog. 679 around Memphis saying it's rough in my receive. Love country.
Well, you're 679. Hey, 679. You're rolling. Hey, 679. You're rolling way up north. 122. 122 Maine. We're trying to let you know. Right back at you, 679, 67910. I just wanted to spike it down so we could wave a hand your way. You're just rolling right on through this old noisy receive up here in the corner. 679, you take care. Have yourself a good one. 122 Maine waving out of the road. Bye.
I sure do. 679. Skip shooter up there around New York. Always like to wave a hand at you out of Carolinas. A 511 skip shooter. Skip shooter 357 Magnum in the Carolinas waving at you. Standing by. 122 down here, man. Take care. Have a good evening and a big old happy 4th of July coming up in a few days. So take care. Out of the Carolina Mountains, Skip Shooter 357 Magnum. We standing by.